Howdy y'all, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best House Apartments. Hey, so I've walked into the Alta Magnolia. This is what it looks like. It's really super pretty. Big lobby area. There's some really nice coffee that's over there. Keurig free coffee that's over here. Super pretty. The leasing team is over here. And then just giving you a quick overview of what it's like in here. So this is a game lounge. Really nice game lounge that's over here. This is super fun. You've got a pool table. You've got a big Scrabble board. That's super fun. You can see there's a pool here, so the pool is just gorgeous. We'll get a detailed video of that. And then you also see the fitness center that's over here. Really nice fitness center. We're going to see detailed video of that. The mail room, the mail area is over here. We're going to see all of that. And then I think that's about it as far as just here on this floor. This is also, you can plug in and work from here too. So this is what it looks like over here. And now let's go check out the fitness center in detail. If you have any questions, send me a text.